This is a short video tutorial on how to access the online tools trainings with the text-to-speech or TTS audio section. So once you've launched the Insight application, you're going to click on Missouri. Once you've clicked on Missouri, you're going to see it's broken up into halves. You've got MAP grade level practice forms, and you've got the MAP grade level assessment summative. You're going to come to this side. You're going to choose online tools training. Once selected, you're going to see that you have three options: English language arts, mathematics, and science. With each of those, when you click it, it's going to open up the grade levels. I can click the grade level, and there will be a TTS audio section available in each of the grade levels. Okay, so if I go to mathematics, and I'm going to do third grade TTS audio. I'm going to put in my information, and the username is already provided on your page right here. So Math 3 audio, test 1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you know, 4th grade is Math 4 audio, 7th grade is Math 7 audio. It's consistent, and your password will be the same for every one of the tests. Click sign in.
Welcome. Your name is shown. Play.
Now, what you probably noticed was the moment you clicked to begin or launched it, it started reading it aloud. Okay? It will do that on each page unless you click the pause button.
Play.
Now, when I continue,
the following
it's still going to have it and read it automatically.
Your name is
I
shown.
can click pause so that I don't hear the voice, and I can click on
General test directions. This screen shows an image to check if your computer screen is set up correctly.
So let's say
Play.
The student decides that this is not an accommodation or a universal tool that they're planning on using because it's distracting them or it's taking them a little bit longer. They have the option to go and click Options and Audio Settings. And here they can change the volume, lower or higher. They can also change the speed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the volume down, leave the speed the same, and I'm going to click the red X. Once I click Next, you're going to see that it's still reading it aloud, but you don't hear it at all. You can see the on-screen movement with the highlighter. So what I'm going to do then is, if I'm a student that is okay with now not hearing it, I'm going to click the Next button. And I'm going to read through my tools trainings. And then once I get to my actual launch page, I'm going to click Begin the Test. Now, once we begin the test, I really want you to have students try out the text-to-speech option. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to turn the options back on and click Audio Settings. And I'm going to turn the volume back up.
So you know to go back and answer the question later.
And then I'll click Begin the test.
To look at these directions again. So, Raj bought 8 bananas. Exactly the fraction, 5/8 of the bananas Raj bought were ripe. The picture shows 8 bananas. Select the fraction, 5/8 of the bananas to show how many of Raj's bananas were ripe. Practice hint. Select.
I'm going to pause that piece so that I'm not going to be hearing it right now. And I'm looking at Select 5/8. Once I've clicked my images, just going to play the rest.
As many images as necessary. Each image will fill with shading when selected.
And then I can move on to my next question.
Next. Nolan starts the washing machine at 3:19.
Okay. Once again, if the student gets distracted, they can click the Options button, Audio Settings. They can turn this off. Now, some students saw that highlight going across. If I click off the check mark for follow along, okay, and you're going to see that I don't see a highlight of blue. I'm not going to put an answer in here, but once I click Next, you're going to see it's no longer reading aloud. You don't hear it, as well as you don't see the tracking of it. Okay. Hopefully this video tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact your building level counselor or your MAP administrative team. You can also contact me, Tim Brown, at brown.tim@wgmail.org. Thank you.